Welcome to the mix of two seasons. We got winter, summer fighting together. It's that spring. It's that time of year when it's transitioning from winter to summer, and this is where you get all the wacky weather. And you've got some thunderstorms in southern Ontario, southern Quebec moving in, and we got some cold air moving in southern Alberta. Tornado watches have been issued by the stateside, so that it's the same warm front moving in into Canada, and it's going to bring some thunderstorms, but good news, it's not going to be severe, but it could still be loud, and lightning is still dangerous at this time of year. And remember, it's the mix of the two seasons, and next week we got some freezing rain in the forecast. It's all chaos from there. We go from west to east, and we'll get explain more. And tomorrow, 11 degrees, 10 degrees, mix of sun and cloud in the afternoon in Vancouver, and we go to Alberta. Alberta, big story. So we got this warm air tomorrow, then you got this cold air plummeting so fast. So here's tomorrow, nice and sunny at 14 degrees. Then here it is, starting at midnight, 9 degrees. And then the temperatures are going to drop. Look at that. Snow coming from the north, heavy snow, all the way from Edmonton to Calgary. The north, cold winds. This is the time of year when winter says, I don't want to leave. Summer's like, I'm trying to come in. And it's a battle of the seasons. Sometimes you could get thunder snow with that because of the battle of the seasons. I call it battle of the seasons because it is true. And sometimes it brings windy conditions. Here is the windy conditions when the cold front comes in. Here is Sunday. Look at that. 80 kilometers per hour at Calgary, Lethbridge. Then you get blowing snow conditions. 5 centimeters of snow. Also ice on the roads because the temperatures are dropping quickly. Saskatoon, Regina, then +7 tomorrow, rain turning into snow in the afternoon, mixing. So we go to Yellowknife. We say to our high friends in the north, hello. Still a lot of cold air to hang on to. Fort McMurray -13 and 0 in Saskatoon, Regina, and we go to Winnipeg -8 and foggy patches tonight. 5 degrees tomorrow with windy conditions, and south gust up to 50 kilometers per hour. Sunday, really windy conditions overnight. 5 degrees, turning to snow showers overnight. Rainfall warnings for 40 millimeters of rain, all in is yellow, and thunderstorms with it. Invented thunderstorms could produce more rain. So here's today, and thunderstorms overnight in southern Ontario. Might get some loud boomers. London, Toronto, we'll see some thunderstorms overnight, possibly. Low chance of thunderstorms, but it's still a possibility with a warm front moving in, mixing in with the cold air, winter air. So it's like fighting. It looks like Barrie, Ontario is going to see the most thunderstorms from this. The further north you go, as you can see, lots of thunderstorms. Peterbridge as well. Then we go to Kingston. 5 degrees, risk of some thunderstorms, even if it's not in the forecast, still spreading eastward. Ottawa, 11 degrees. Next week, keep an eye on some major freezing rain, possibly. It's the battle of the seasons. This is what happens. You get the warm air, then you get the cold air, and the warm air is still up in the atmosphere, so it's like, it's not going to turn to snow, it's going to be freezing rain. And that's the problem this time of year. It's chaos. You never know what's going to happen this time of year when the battle of the seasons. So right now we're predicting 10 to 20 millimeters for southern Ontario, southern Quebec. Lots of rain, a little bit of freezing rain tonight in Quebec City. Freezing drizzle mainly, and rain on Sunday. Windy conditions in St. John's, Newfoundland. Halifax -2, and Charlottetown, PI -5 right now, and +5 tomorrow. I'm Storm Justin. Have a good weekend. Watch Scream 7. If you think it's the best or lame, I'm going to watch it.